Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing one of my Grail Air Jordan 1 sneakers. But before that, I just wanted to announce a new giveaway that we have, so let's get right into it. So right here, we have this pair to give away. And I know I see a lot of you guys actually asking me to do a giveaway for quite some time now. And yes, we can do that here on this channel because we share our blessings. But you guys know that I'm not getting any of these pairs for free. This is coming out of my own pocket. So basically what I'm asking you guys is to help me reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of October. And yeah, we'll give away this pair of Kyrie 5 Spongebob Squarepants in the Squidward Tentacles colorway. So the mechanics are fairly simple. You just have to click subscribe down below. Help me reach 10,000 subscribers. Like this video because it helps us YouTubers a lot. And follow me on Instagram at GioSantamaria and at streetwear.haul. So basically yun lang yung rules, simple lang. And yeah, best of luck to everyone that's joining. And you guys might just win this pair of Kyrie 5 in the Spongebob Squarepants collab. Squidward Tentacles colorway. Let's go. So right here, I have another pair of Jordan 1s. And siguro if you've been following this channel for quite some time now, you guys know that my favorite pair of sneakers is the Air Jordan 1. And right here, we have a Grail colorway. So this actually completes my Thanos gauntlet of Air Jordan 1s. And yeah, hindi ko napapatagalin pa. Right here, we have the Air Jordan 1s in the shattered backboard colorway. So this pair is actually known for its superb quality. If you guys can see that, ayan, super ganda ng quality niya. Super butter, super lambot. And if you guys are a serious collector of Air Jordan 1s, you guys need to have this in your collection. As in, I saw this posted on Facebook for a very steal price. So I'll post the price right here on StockX. It actually goes for around $1,800 now. Nagulat na nga rin ako eh. Kasi nung nirelease to, resale was fairly cheap. It was around 18,000 pesos for a size 9. And hindi ko pa siya kinuha nun. I don't know why, but this pair really grew on me after seeing all the reviews and actually feeling it on hand. Super ganda niya talagang pair, and you guys can see that. So actually, ito yung pinagbabasihan lagi ng mga sneakerheads of the quality ng leather ng Air Jordan 1s. Because why can't Nike do this with every single Air Jordan 1? And super ganda niya talaga, super sarap hawakan. And if you guys are wondering how much I got it for a very steal price at only 20,000 pesos. So I saw someone posted on Facebook sa, I think it was on the Soul Slam page, if I'm not mistaken. And it was originally posted for around 30k. And 30k is actually a steal price na for this. But nung nakita ko yung picture, sinabi ko bakit may mga discoloration, ganyan, may mga issues. So, ayun, nagbigay siya ng discount, sobrang laki. So sabi ko, why not? And actually, this pair, medyo kinabahan pa ako kasi I was trying to legit check this pair. And there was a few flaws with it. I mean, para sa akin, it was already legit. But I had to ask some of my friends na serious collectors din ng Jordan 1s. So, ayun. So, I'm very thankful for the people that actually helped me legit check this pair. And, yeah. Basically, it's legit. It's just kind of beat up. But, I really don't mind if it's used or beat up because I'll be using it din naman. And I got it again for a very steal price. So, if gagamitan nyo rin naman yung pair, don't have to be really OC na. You don't really have to get brand new kasi would you guys really pay around 60,000 to 80,000 for a brand new pair compared to 20,000, 30,000 for a used pair na gagamitin nyo rin naman, diba? So again, this completes my gauntlet, my Thanos gauntlet ng Air Jordan 1s. So that's basically it. I just wanted to share with you guys one of my Grail unboxings, and this is the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard. So you'll see this on my feet very soon. I want to take pictures of it for my Instagram page. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And don't forget to join the giveaway, guys. And let's go. Good luck and see you in the next one. Peace. What's up, guys? Currently on the way to Rockwell because we're about to join the raffle for the LD Waffle Sakais.